You'll have your choice between charcoal pencils, compressed charcoal, and vine charcoal. Vine charcoal, I recommend breaking into smaller sections. Use its broad edge to lay in value. You can use a Q-tip, burnishing stick, or a paper towel just to kind of lay down tone. You'll want to grab a kneaded eraser. It comes in a square. You want to kind of work it out. This will allow you to pick up the majority of your vine charcoal. It's not going to grab everything. If you want to go darker, grab a piece of compressed charcoal. I recommend a sample test. You want to see what the texture is going to be. And keep in mind that to activate this, you have to burnish it into the paper. Like I said, you might want to have some Q-tips, some clean paper towel, and you'll be washing your hands frequently. Anyway, you can use the same burnishing stick to add tone throughout your piece. You have a couple options. If you wanted to really erase some material, I recommend this is just a regular white Statler eraser, white rubber eraser. You can see how powerful it is. It's going to pull up most of the vine, and now this is compressed. It's really, it does okay, but that compressed really digs into the paper. With the white charcoal that comes in pencil or stick form, don't use it on white paper. We want to use white charcoal on toned paper, and the main thing is not to combine the white charcoal with vine or compressed. So this is vine, and I can just make a real quick gradient. The idea is the white makes everything a little muddy. So you want to go back and use the tone of the paper as your mid-tone, and you can even out the values with kneaded eraser, your burnishing sticks, Q-tip, etc. You can go back with some compressed, activate it by smudging it into the paper. And so there will always be a lot of layering back and forth of making sure your values stick, increasing those values, taking away, and you'll want to pick up some workable fixative. I don't have it handy, but that will allow you to spray your work and preserve it. Obviously, use a well-ventilated area, please.